When it comes to speed, there's one car that stands above the rest, the Bugatti Chiron Super Sport 300 Plus. This hypercar is the fastest production car in the world, with a top speed of over 304 miles per hour. To achieve such an incredible speed, the Chiron Super Sport 300 Plus is equipped with an 8.0-liter quad-turbocharged W16 engine that produces a whopping 1,577 horsepower. Driving the Bugatti Chiron Super Sport 300 Plus is truly an unforgettable experience. It can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.4 seconds and reach 186 miles per hour in just 12.1 seconds. It's a car that pushes the boundaries of what's possible and sets a new standard for automotive engineering. Of course, the Bugatti Chiron Super Sport 300 Plus is not a car that many of us will ever get to drive, let alone own. But it's an incredible example of what can be achieved when engineers and designers push the limits of technology and design.